This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone, welcome to another Power BI session. As part of this video, I'm going to explain you ISINSCOPE function in DAX. So what is this function and how it is helpful? ISIN function is basically it returns a true value when the specified column level is in the hierarchy. Okay, so as part of, to create an hierarchy, I have taken being product subcategory and category as well. I have taken subcategory and category columns from the other tables using related function, and I have created the hierarchy here. Okay, so now we are going for defining the rank at the product level and the product subcategory level and category level. So let's take sales. Let's turn on the drill down capability here. You can search the properties using plus symbol, row headers. You just say turn on. Okay, so you expand this visual little bit to better understanding. I'm ordering it based on the sales information. Okay, now let's go for defining the measure to create a rank. So we'll start it from the product to subcategory and the category. Now let's say rank if is in scope. You see here, just read the description once. Returns true when the specified column is in level in a hierarchy of levels. Okay, so let's check whether the product name is in the hierarchy or not. English product name, comma, say rank X function of all selected English product name, comma, just give sales info, sales measure. Just say enter. And pull the rank measure to the visual. So you see now we are able to display the rank. Okay, so if I expand, if I collapse this one, we are not having the rank at the category level. Okay, so you see when we have blank sales also, when we do not have sales also, it is displaying the rank. So to avoid the same, let's have a condition. When we have sales greater than 0, then only you give this, otherwise a return a blank value. That's it. So when we specify, uh, when we when we have not mentioned the else block, in DAX else is in a optional. When we have not specified else, by default it will give you the blank. So as this rank is giving the, as the rank is blank here, so when we have all the measures are blank, by default that dimension will be, attribute member will be taken out. Okay, now you see that one has been removed. We do not have uh, rank at the subcategory level and category level. Let's create the category level. Now the same, another one is in scope of subcategory, say rank X, all selected of say subcategory, sales. Now when this expression is going to be evaluated here, so this hierarchy level, subcategory level hierarchy is there in the hierarchy, right? That's why, so it will be returned true for this condition. Now the rank is going to be evaluated based on the sales for each subcategory. Let's execute it. I mean, when we say okay, it will be evaluated. It did not come. Let's check what was the problem. Okay, so I have mentioned as a separate if condition. I should mention here as a else block. Now it should come. We have to have another bracket here. Now it should come. Yeah, so if you see here, we have one here. So if I collapse this, the other one I'm having 2. Okay, so again you see here we do not have the rank at the category level because we have not given any condition at the category level. In the same way, again go for else block. You just copy and paste this guy. Now this is going to be category. We will be having the rank at the category as well. Okay, so when I go for collapsing it, you see here 1 2 3 4 expand the bikes. We have multiple subcategories and we have the rank. Okay, so when I go for expanding a particular subcategory, we see we have the rank for, I mean we have the rank at the product level. Okay, so to have rank like this, we use the ISIN function to determine the column level is in the hierarchy level or not. Okay, wherever the expression is going to be evaluated, it checks the, I mean that particular subcategory or category or product is in the hierarchy or not. If it is in the hierarchy, the corresponding rank expression, I mean rank x function is going to be evaluated in that level, in that hierarchy level. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.